Remove the 4 screws securing the battery top cover. Take out the 4 rubber grommets from the battery top cover. Gently remove the top cover. For the battery top cover wiring, disconnect the cables in order from high voltage to low voltage. During installation, connect in reverse order from low to high voltage. To replace the battery multi-pin connector, first remove the 4 screws securing the connector board. For the negative connector board, unplug the separate signal wire. The rear multi-pin plug must be cleaned regularly to remove deposits from the copper contacts. Regularly clean the battery multi-pin connector.